Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you have an outdoor grill, you know how important it is to protect it from the weather. You've made an investment and you want to make sure that that investment lasts. This grill cover from Grillman is exactly what I was looking for to protect my grill. Now I have a grill that has two shelves and they stick out on both sides. One is a burner and one is a permanent shelf. So that makes my grill rather wide. I'm very happy with how well this cover fits. I love the color, I love the material, and the fact that it has two handles on the outside to easily lift it when I want to remove it. This grill cover protects my grill from the sun and also from the rain. I get a lot of rain out here, but this grill cover has no problem protecting my investment. It also has two straps along the bottom so I can tighten it, which keeps it firmly in place no matter what the weather conditions are. So if you have a grill that you care about and you know that if you don't protect it, it's not gonna last, I highly recommend you get this grill cover. It has really worked out for me. It fits my grill well. I like the fact that it is going to protect it from the rain and anything else that falls on it. Back here in my patio, I have a lot of pine trees that drop little pieces of debris and nothing is getting through this grill cover. I really appreciate that. And the fact that it looks good out here, it's not an eyesore, I really love the color, is an added bonus. And that is my point of view.